Is your healing? Is your healing? Your healing? Is your healing? Is your healing? Your healing?
Okay, quick disclaimer before we get into this video, you guys. So my lip gloss failed me not on one day, but 2 days. Kind of had a little build up in the corner of my mouth, and I don't see it when I'm editing, but when I watch it on my big screen TV, I definitely see it. So it's not one of those things I can just like not say nothing about. You're gonna see it, and it's nothing I can do about it. But be more aware the next time. So enjoy the video. Let's not make it a thing.
That's a trip I could take y'all. Come right here real quick. Mojito, I'm ready to slide in that drink right there. $5 mojito. I wonder how much it is. We gonna see.
Man, we can be that drink forever.
I've seen with you.
Yeah. Oh, great. I would have had it from here. Fergie.
Go see how much it is, Jordan.
Yeah, I hear something.
Y'all, we just finished doing the escape room and we suck. I'm gonna tell y'all about it. I'm gonna tell. Child, listen, wait. I'm gonna tell y'all about it when we get in the room. We ain't get out, y'all. We stupid. No, we not stupid, but we ain't get out. I ain't worked out an appetite, but I worked up a drink after that. Everybody contributed it, surprisingly, because I thought one of us wasn't going to bring nothing to the table, but he actually brought more than I thought. Listen, no, but you might have been scared, Mom. Mom, you might have been scared, because when we first got in there, I was like, oh my God, I feel like I can't breathe.
Exactly.
I was like, oh my God, am I gonna make it?
Jerry,
And look, she
Come on, Mama.
when she locked that door, I said, oh, she locked the door now.
You say you ain't not locking me in nothing, huh?
Let's go in here, y'all.
You wanna go in
here? Yeah.
I see like a woman who don't have
The protection wasn't it?
good intention for
Yeah.
you.
Yeah.
I need to tell you porque I'm here and since you was in front of me.
Yeah. I first got the abundance road opener, and then I was like, let me go get the protection, and then I grabbed the love one too.
See, I see like a woman who don't have good intention, like always talking bad things by your back.
Thank you.
It's a little strong. They got a regular sangria over there. I got to pass you. It's probably like $5 because this, that, and a bottle of water spent 10. You got a bottle of water. $5. I mean $10 for all of them. Yes. You don't like it? You want some of my water? You want some water? This, you either gonna drink this? No. No, you can't have this. This is why I got you that. Now you can have water. I got water as well. Jay, of course not. Too much of it. You know that. You know it. You know the drill. I don't know why you sip it so you can keep it. The sip was to make her want it more.
Because she still acting for that, so I was like,
She gonna,
I don't know how she started acting like that. I don't know what she started acting like that.
I don't know what she gonna grow out of.
I swear it wasn't this bad.
I feel like it's always been. It has gotten a little worse, like 2 to 3.
It got a lot.
Yeah, 2 to 3 year range. Ask brother, can he share some with you, please?
Can you share some with me, brother?
Please.
Please. Oh, let's just get it. Please.
Okay.
Please.
You'll be alright.
Papa,
Did you say thank you?
thank you. Papa, I said thank you. Sam.
Oh, yeah. She said, give me some. Yeah. Hop to it.
Don't say.
Hop to it.
Talking about she said. Black hair?
Oh, mom. Tell me to give me some.
That one.
It's gonna work for when she do it.
You didn't really share with yours.
Yeah, eggs. Different. I eggs.
And y'all equally share the same amount with y'all sisters, so I think it's fair exchange.
Actually, I share less. But
Even more why you need to shut up. See, there you go. Spoil. You need to take some notes from your brother, because he's a good big brother, and you need to learn how to be just as good to your little sister. You better than you was, but I need you to keep that in mind. You gotta go back. tell y'all, we're at the rainforest, and I'm about to go check in and talk to these people because I think I booked some things too close together. But yeah, so far so good. We're having a ball, y'all. I'm exhausted though, I ain't even gonna lie. These last few days might be some relaxation on the beach and at the pool. I ain't gonna be doing too much. This is probably our last like big excursion of any sort. Cause loving a 3-year-old ain't no joke. Hi. I told your mom, I said, I don't, either he let him win or he something wrong with the car.
I couldn't move. It was just
Y'all go.
Either way.
that's why I
Going right.
Either way, no push ups.
Nah, not best 2 out of 3.
That's why
All I know is
It's your turn. We're not going again, Mama. I'm sorry. We can get on the hayride. Yeah, she wants to get on. We thought about it, but then we was like, they battling. It's gonna be ugly.
Bring you down for that, right?
You want to ride with Barbara?
Like you know that.
Was Brother driving fast? Hey, I want you to see the picture you took of you.
All right. Come on.
I was gonna play the fix to keep the lead. I was like, when we got to that corner and I was in front of him, I was like, yeah, but just keep the lead, stay in front of him. And I was like, let him go.
Say hi.
The driver? Yes? I know. Looks so good. I know.
Right. seat. Find a seat, Mama. Yeah, gotta sit down. Yeah, there we go. Sit down, Mama. There we go, girl. Let's move over so Mommy can sit with you. Yeah. I probably should have sat over there. Ooh, this thing kind of hot. This thing kind of hot. All right, it's hayride time.
Good job. It's great.
Hayride time through the rainforest. Miss Becklin, you ready?
Yeah.
You ready to have some fun?
Yeah.
You gonna see some animals?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, y'all. Gonna take this thing on this hayride. Ain't no hay, but you know, it's a ride.
How long is that? How long is this rainforest ride?
I think an hour. This part of the trip is for her, y'all. Just like a Tyler to waste your money. Oh my I know that much. But it's raining hard, so hopefully it's like a quick rain. Cause the fire. We're going straight to the hotel after this, but we're like 30 minutes out, and I don't want to be riding in the car soaking wet. I'm so damn pissed. We've been here all day, and the moment we get ready to get on the UTV, it starts fucking pouring. Like, oh my god.
Walk up in the life. Yeah, I'm really talking my shit like I'm really him. Hold up. Look, walking this bitch like, hey. Yeah, I'm really him. Talking my shit like, hey. I'm really him. Don't believe me, come and see me. Got the footage from my TV now. I'm on your local TV. I'm on your local TV. When they come and see me, when I'm in a local city, I'm like, oh, yo. Please step aside so they can see me and I walk up in it.
Are you family? You guys alright?
Yeah, I'm
You're not turning on? No. You're not? Are you turning on the brake?
I did.
Five more time.
Yeah, I'm really him. Talking my shit like I'm really him.
Alright, if you have any more smoke, when you start again, tell your story, okay? Remember, man, when you're riding, get the H and this all the way up so it doesn't start beeping. Alright? Sir, use the bell work, right? If it doesn't work correctly at all, you have to keep the seat. Alright? So it doesn't start beeping. Alright? We're gonna do a brake test. When we go, it's gonna be like this. Now, when we watch this stop, I'm gonna do this.
I'm really him on God. Walk up in the light. Yeah, I'm really him. Talking my shit like I'm really him. Hold up. Look, walking this bitch like, hey. Yeah, I'm really him.
Through, Jay.
Man, we outside for real.
We outside.
Call me Bucky, lucky that I'm innocent. If I didn't have no morals, I'd be menacing. How about nigga rapping conscious but he ignorant? How he from the hood but still gon' go legitimate? How he fuck a bunch of but they still respect the women? He still rolling in Sonata, he just got the windows tinted. Homie stab me in the back and that can never be forgiven. And my palms been itching, man, I like the superstition. You can't have my phone number unless we running up the digits. Let me meditate, I just need a couple minutes. Tryna low ball me, my cojones to the big ass. When I get high, I ain't looking at the clock, still ballin' like Brian. Yeah, I'm headed to the Bucks, then I'm ballin' like yeah. I ain't looking at the clock, still ballin' like Brian. When I get high. Let me meditate, then I celebrate. Tryna get the cake, I don't take a break. Yeah, wait. Grew up in the 90s, we was watching Ricky Lake. We was eating top ramen, or a TV dinner plate. Made that couple dollars, so I probably get the steak. Go on out at John and Venice, I told Quinn and I'll be late. Ay, I'm so epidemic, I'ma cause an epidemic. Put my feet up in the building, feeling like a tenant. When I get high, I ain't looking at the clock, still ballin' like Brian. Yeah, I'm headed to the Bucks, then I'm ballin' like yeah. I ain't looking at the clock, still ballin' like Brian.
Look at this.
I know, I saw it. I felt it.
I don't know if y'all saw us get splashed by that mud by the people in front of us, but look at it. Oh my God, y'all. I was prepared. I was prepared to get dirty, but like, baby. Anyway, we back at the water. Back at the water, y'all.
I gotta watch my back, ayy. I gotta watch my back, I gotta watch my back, ay. I gotta watch my back, I gotta watch my back. Dodging demons, coppers, hoppers probably hate me cause I'm black. I don't know these days now. Pull a bullet to your temple for these days. And I got the word up on my back, it's on my shoulder blades. And I got the vision, yeah, it's clear. I ain't in the maze, still amazing. Save my graces, ain't been saving faces. Gotta get all the things I know I want, cause I've been chasing. Gotta watch my mind front and back, cause I ain't crazy. Streets been going crazy. Have you seen it lately? I gotta watch my back, I gotta watch my back, ayy. I gotta watch my back, I gotta watch my back, ayy. I gotta watch my back, I gotta watch my back. Dodging demons, coppers, hoppers probably hate me cause I'm black. I don't know. I gotta watch my back, I gotta watch my back, ayy. I gotta watch my back, I gotta watch my back, ayy. I gotta watch my back, I gotta watch my back. Dodging demons, coppers, hoppers probably hate me cause I'm black. I don't know.
You can have a chair. I really want a chair.
That's not cute. She doing, she thinks she's cute still. Yeah, that's not cute.
And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improve. But you ain't even flexing, and you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, your applaud. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper. You with a big stepper who chasing.
This is what determination looks like when you decide you want to take your sons to Carmelo Anthony's court. Child, no. There's chickens running everywhere too. Like what? Not loud. What's this? What's this?
But you ain't even flexing. But you ain't even flexing. But you ain't even flexing. But you ain't even flexing.
So we are stopping by Carmelo's basketball court, y'all. And when y'all saw what it looked like when we got here. Well, y'all saw what it looked like for us to get here. Y'all see how I'm dressed, right? We're about to be hanging out, but I wanted to bring my boys here real quick. Just cause we're here in Puerto Rico, why not, right? Cause this they sport. All right, so y'all can get like right there in the middle. Y'all can get against the graffiti wall. It is very.
What graffiti? Whoa, this is not graffiti.
Somewhat. I ain't say it was fly graffiti.
Scrabble.
I said it was graffiti. Oh. What is that going to do?
Fly, ain't it?
Go this way. Take pictures this way where it's the palm tree. Y'all, I literally told my mom sit in the car and lock the door. We're going to jump out real quick because it looked like we in the hood so that we can take pictures. We're not too far from Old San Juan though, y'all. It's not like we went to the, it looked like we went into the trenches, but we like literally Old San Juan is right up there. But nonetheless, I tell her sit in the car, lock the door. We're going to come up here and take pictures. And do y'all see this shit? The ball is flat. And these little are still trying to play basketball.
I'm playing my show.
So then when she be like, what took so long? Because your grandkids decided they wanted to shoot it out real quick. Bruh. Do I look like I'm supposed to be over here? I know damn well I don't look like I'm supposed to be over here. But I'm about to get over here and get some views. Like, it's you know, the palm trees, it gives a vibe. It gives a little bit of a vibe, y'all. When you look at it from this angle.
Vibe.
That's the one, y'all. That's the one. Between him and his sister, it's a toss-up. It's a toss-up. This one over here, he don't do much. He don't do much enough for y'all. And if he do, he gonna keep it from his mama. His mama ain't gonna find out about it. But this one, he finna cut the fuck up and call his mother every single time. I don't know which is worse. Honestly. Kinda glad he called me, but like, child. Anyway. We're about to go into Old San Juan, y'all, and get some eats. Some more Puerto Rican eats, because we've been slacking on that. That's why y'all ain't seen no food, because we've been eating typical-ish. We had street food one time. So we better go on to San Juan and get some Puerto Rico eats. See what San Juan is checking for at night. What else was we supposed to do today? My ham, y'all. Look, I'm about to show y'all. It's chickens right over there. And they are like, I ain't about to get too close. I know y'all here. I hope I ain't hear a chicken coming down here. We gotta hurry up, cause my mama will be in the car like, if y'all don't bring y'all ass. Come on. Come on, y'all got like 2 more minutes before Grandma start having a meltdown. Got a towel and everything, honey. I want to take the shortcut. I ain't taking no shortcut and bust my head open like that. Ain't cute. Now, how am I gonna get a drive up out of here? Child, how are you gonna drive up out of here? I want to see him. Hold your brother's hand. Thank you. So we just seen the strip with a bunch of, so our point, because I told you guys, was to come up here and try some street food. So we just seen a whole strip of little places. We're gonna go down here so we can try a few different little places. So the last time, guys, when we tried the street food, the person told me I couldn't record, which disgusted me. Because if it's publicity for you, like, and your food good, and it's under health code, why can't I record? Y'all drop it in the comments and let me know why y'all think they would tell me I can't record. Because shit like that make me not want to try your food. For real, for real.
Giving me all the kisses.
Are you giving your brother all the kisses? All the kisses. This is supposed to be my birthday outfit, y'all. Don't judge me if you see me wearing it again at brunch. Because it's cute and I don't care. We repeat clothes around here. Yes. If you want to get down, I should have got a leash for you, honey. Oh, there's a proposal. Okay, you got a whole hand, okay? It's a proposal.
Yeah, the one that child.
My time coming. My time coming. And if it's not, I bitch is gonna live her life. Yes. You wanna get down? You gotta hold a hand, okay? But we think we're gonna get some ice cream or some lemonade and probably call it a night. And hopefully see like some food down at the beach that we can indulge in. Cause we got a 3-year-old who don't want to walk. She either don't want to walk or don't want to hold your hands. Like, sis, neither one of those are appropriate. I'm exhausted. Mothering is exhausting.
The lights light up and
Y'all, these kiss lashes, getting to them, okay? What day is this? I put them on, did I put them on Thursday or Friday? I put them on Friday. It is now Sunday. Yes, but I should use the fall scare. I know the name of it now, y'all. Fall scare.
No, she don't. She definitely just looked it up.
I didn't know what those were.
Those are that one right there says mashed potato ball stuff. The ground beef sandwich we ate last time. It sounded like the one Grandma had.
Yeah,
that one says
the one that had the
codfish.
potato.
Give me a hug.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do. Yes. Okay, have a seat right here. Why don't y'all sit right there? You want to sit right there so you ain't got to pick her up? Is that what y'all want right here anyway?
I want the lemonade.
You want a lemonade, okay. Is it a frozen or is it regular?
Lemonade.
I think I want one of those too. Cheesecake one too.
That's how I thought about too earlier. Earlier at first that was my first option, but I was like, I want sandwich.
Okay.
Cheesecake my first option.
For a cup and spoon.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Next cup, it's your content. I can give you a spoon.
Okay. Here. Let me show you. Let me see yours. Hold yours up.
That's mine.
Can we see it? No. Hold it.
What happened? I told Jay, I said, Jay, go get a spoon so I can taste a little bit. And he handed it to me, right? And I said, no, I just want a spoon so I can dig in it. I said, I just want a little bit, Jay.
He's over here getting you a spoon ready.
Just a little bit more. That's it. Thank you, sweetie.
Don't gotta do this. Hold it behind the camera, action on this shit. Like you ain't get a whole little churro thing.
I got an extra.
Not your brother on the camera though.
Jay, I only want a little bit of that. That's good to go.
Was it good?
It's fried fish.
It's fried what?
Fish.
It's fried fish? Alright, we headed to the beach, y'all. This is the last day. Ooh, child. Alright, we headed to the beach. We're trying Condado Beach. Could be saying it wrong, but you get the drift. Do you want to get in the water? No? You just want to play in the sand? Okay. Sis been crying about the beach the whole trip. And I ain't mad as long as she happy. I honestly don't care, y'all. I put a new waist beater on this morning. My Creative Aura. I has the orange in there. Give me a little color. Because I've been wearing like a really like a beige. Take a white and a beige bead. So I ain't really had much color on it. Since I'm color blocking today with some bright colors, I figured this would be the perfect time. I'm really itching to put this new one on that I have not had a chance to put on the website yet, which is, child, what did I call that thing? Divine Lotus? I don't know. Don't give me the line, y'all. I'll tell y'all later. But it's the purple one. It's the clear one with the silver and a little bit of a purple accent and the amethyst with the lotus charm. Can't wait to put that on. So we're gonna go over here and take a picture of the Puerto Rico sign. If y'all don't know by now, I set my camera up on video and I do a few poses and then I screenshot it because my kids be acting like it's a problem. So we got to do that. Oh, and look at here, my cameraman. My cameraman is here, y'all.
I'm getting very right.
I don't want to leave her stuck with Berkey.
That's not so happy with that.
I did like 5 or 6 jumps the second time and shit. And I'm out here jumping. So y'all see me icing myself and shit later, mind your business. And grandma was able to get a little miss bathing suit on and get her out of the sand. Somebody had some fun time with little miss in the water. Well, my second time, I know you happy because your body looks better than most of these people. Yeah.
That's crazy. Oh my God.
He ain't shit, y'all. He ain't shit.
Bro, that's a big one. That thing off of Happy Feet with a double chin.
I ain't really bodying, but my fit fire.
I'm sorry, I'm big bro. Big bro.
My fit fire. He's a liar.
It's extremely big.
It's extremely cute. Because I was really concerned because this bikini is like, your girl was snatching 2 pieces like she was a size 2. I don't give a. Me and this pooper was about to enjoy ourselves. However, the gym is calling. The gym is fucking calling before the next vacation. The gym is calling. Ain't nothing really over here.
No. I don't think we go to.
Nah.
Whoa.
We walked over here for nothing, but I could see that. Don't be crushing on my little 16-year-old.
Huh?
He like older ladies, but I like to fight. So, I don't like to fight, but I will fight. I don't fight, y'all. He's lying that I've never fought in my life. If you want to call it fight, it's called self-defense. However, if ever a wrong woman is checking up on my child, it won't be self-defense. It'll be straight off, I'm pleading temporary insanity. He said I'm chatting. This is a warning. This is a warning before I drop a vlog with my children on it.
Walk up in the life. Yeah, I'm really him. Talking my shit like I'm really him. Hold up. Look, walking this bitch like, hey. Yeah, I'm really him. Talking my shit like, hey. I'm really him. Don't believe me? Come and see me. Got 3 wishes from my genie. Now I'm on your local TV. All on tour, got demons. Say she wanna come and see me when I'm in a local city. I'm like, pause though. Please step aside so they can see me. And I walk up in this light. Yeah, I'm really him. Talking my shit like I'm really him, on God. Walk up in this light. Yeah, I'm really him. Talking my shit like I'm really him. I'm the realest from my city. That's on my knee, that's on TV, that's on mamas. Niggas don't believe me, come and see me. I been dodging all that fake. All these niggas working broke, but I been getting paid. All that know me from the street. Flexing for what feature, that's like every other week. Talk behind my back, I kick my feet up, have a seat. Cause at the end of the day, all these watching me as I walk up in this light. Yeah, I'm really him. Talking my shit like I'm really him, on God. Walk up in this light. Yeah, I'm really him. Talking my shit like I'm really him, on God. Walk up in this light. Yeah, I'm really him. Talking my shit like I'm really him. Hold up. Look, walking this light. Hey. Yeah, I'm really him. Talking my shit like, hey, I'm really him. Hold up.